This is Roar to Success, episode number 14, number 1. It says solve. So we'll add up the whole numbers together. So 4 plus 2 is 6. And then 3/4 plus 1/2. 1/2 is really 2/4. And then that'll give us 5/4. 5/4 is really 5 is being divided by 4. So we'll get 1 whole. And then we'll have 1 out of 4 left. So the 6 plus the 1 that we got from there will give us 7. And then, of course, the 1/4 is left. 7 and 1/4. For number 2, it says, what is the product of this problem? Whenever you hear the word product or see the word product, it means to multiply. And it tells you factors. So it would be 1/5 times 2/3. And that will give us 2 over 15. And if you take a look at this array model, you have 2 that are both colors out of 15 altogether. So that's why it's 2 15s. So remember, when you see the word product, that is a multiplication problem. For number 3, it says, which is greater? 3/5 times 3/4 or 2/3 times 1/2? Well, if we have 3/5 times 3/4, we'll get 9 over 20. And then we do 2/3 times 1/2, we'll get 2 over 6. So now we have to compare either 2/6 or 9 out of 20. So the best way to compare these two, well, is to have a common denominator, and they both share 60 in common. Because this is times 10, and this is times 10. So 2/6 is really 20/60ths. And then this one is times 3 and times 3, and this is 27/60ths. So obviously, this one's greater, so it is going to be the 3/5 and 3/4. That is going to give us a greater product. And that's the end of episode number 14.